Guys, and welcome to the daily predictions. First of all, wish you a very happy Janmashtami. Krishna Janam is may it brings new consciousness and new beginnings to all of you. And we see the dharma prevailing, because that's the first card that I got for 31st reading, and this is for 31st of August 2021. And I hope that 30th has already opened up some channels, some beautiful energies, and then we are going to move towards even better energies. So I was guided to take out because of Krishna Janam, because of Janmashtami, I was guided to take up these cards, and these are the cards of the Sacred Indian Tarot. And I never used these cards before. Like, I don't know why, but I never used these cards before. But I think today is the perfect time to use these cards, and I'm too very grateful to my sister who gifted me this tarot deck, because this only has major arcana. This has no minor arcana cards, but they are beautiful. The energy is beautiful. The first card that we got is Wheel of Fortune, and it's called the Dharma. And the wheels are going to change. Wheel of Fortune means that ultimately the wheels are going to turn the right way. The Dharma is going to be prevailing. The right energy is going to be prevailing. The right energy is going to come up. And that's why the first card is Dharma, which says that it is time for positive things to happen. It is time for positive energy to flourish. It's time for dharma to prevail. It is time for you to pick up the right side and connect with your inner self, connect with your positivity, center yourself, ground yourself. The second card that I got is Hermit energy, and this is called the Rishi. And if you see this Hermit card, there is somebody who is actually into meditation. This person is completely centered. This person is into his meditation and completely centered, and that is why the energy of 31st definitely requires you to be centered. And this card was actually upside down. I usually don't read reverse cards, but this deck has meanings for reverse cards, so I kind of took out that meaning as well. So this card says that it is important for you to center yourself, ground yourself, connect with your inner self, think about how you have been living your life. What is it that you need to change about your life, and let those inner energies become stronger and give you growth. Now the third card that I got is Devil, and it is Asura. And if you see, this kind of gives a very beautiful story, because Asura card also came reversed, and this card is basically when you need to work upon the addictions that you have. You need to work upon the negativity, the negative thoughts you have, and this is time to let go of all the Asura energy, because the first card is Dharma, right? So and if you remember, in old times, what used to happen used to be that there used to be like the rishis used to kind of meditate and do all the positive things, and the Asura or the devils used to come and kind of disturb them and hurt them or kill them. And then that is the time when Dharma used to prevail, where if you take it as Sudarshan Chakra of Shri Krishna, where Dharma used to prevail, and actually the gods, the positive entities, they used to take either like a birth, or they used to come in avatars, and they used to kill the asuras, and they used to save the rishis. And this is the kind of energy that I'm seeing for 31st of August 2021. I don't know why the energies have suddenly shifted towards something very big, very huge, very positive, and I am hopeful that these changes are happening. And this is not like only a change which should happen, or which is happening in like the world around, and it's a very big change, but it is also inside you. So you need to bring in that change within yourself. It is important that you take the path of Dharma, and Dharma doesn't mean you have to follow any religion. This is take the right path, keep yourself centered, and don't get into any addictions or any negative energy. And if you keep yourself balanced and you're not negative, you are meditating, you are centered, then definitely your life is going to take a very positive turn. The second set of cards that I got out, this is from the Angel Wisdom Tarot, and the first card that I got is Ace of Wands. It says an amazing opportunity. Be bold, courageous, and optimistic. Now is the time to take action. Do what you are passionate about. And again, a very beautiful card. This child has a magic wand, and the magic wand is actually started creating the magic. There is a flower pot on his lap which has got a flower. There is a plant that is growing here. There is a plant that has grown into big tree here, and there's a lizard, and this is the sign of safety or the security. And this child is safe, he's passionate, and he's ready to kind of move towards more growth, and his light is shining. So this is 31st is the time where you shine your light, where you pick up your passion, where you move towards growth, where you know that you are positive, where you know that you are taken care of, where you know that you are safe, and new opportunities will come your way. So maybe some new opportunity of job, of work, of picking up your passion, or some positive news, because this is hand of God. Some positivity is definitely coming your way. The second card that I got is Hermit, and we have Hermit here, and this is like the second Hermit we got, and this says time spent in peaceful meditation and meaningful solitude. Shine your light as an example to others. Seek out or become a spiritual mentor. Self-discovery. And this is the card where, if you see here, his heart is illuminated, like the lectern is actually right in front of his heart, or the solar plexus in the heart chakra, and he's actually illuminating the world. There is light that is shining all around him. There is growth here, flowers. There is a fire that is here, and Rishi or Hermit is somebody who's into his slumber, who's into his own energy, his own self, and then finally he comes out with lot of light to others. So this is the energy, and you need to center yourself, you need to be peaceful, you need to be into meditations, you need to balance your energies, and you need to shine bright. Also, it is very important that if you preach somebody something, you follow that in your life as well, and those preachings will actually become more fruitful or better. The third card that I got is again a very beautiful card, because this is a card of 3 of Cups, and if you see, this says a news worth celebrating, joyful announcements like engagements, wedding, pregnancy, or graduation, a time for gratitude, close communities, or chosen families. So again, a very beautiful card of people celebrating, some good news coming, some joyful event happening, some positive event happening, and this can be big, this can be small, but there could be some change that will come into your life, and this change to come into your life, it is also somewhere I don't know why I noticed that this is 3 and this is 1, this is like 31st. But some beautiful changes coming into your life, some good changes coming into your life, and for that change to happen, you need to kind of deal with your inner negativity, your inner negative energies, your addictions and everything, and you have to be peaceful, and you have to be connected with yourself. And there is a new light, that is Hermit is shining basically a new light into the entire world, which will lead to some kind of celebration. So there could be some celebration that might happen in your life, could be a new job, could be a new beginning, could be you realize your new self, could be you connect with your new self. So this is like a new energy that is coming, and this is like 13 or 31st, but there is a new energy that is coming into your life. And I see orange color, so orange color will be, somebody wanted to know the color of every day, so orange color kind of seems like a good color for 31st. Now I wanted to take out one card from the Gita Tarot because of the Janmashtami, and the card that I got was so beautiful. This is a card of conscious entity, and this card basically says, if you see, there's a peacock, there are peahens, and there are lotus flowers here, and Shri Krishna is into his most beautiful avatar. He's looking so beautiful, he's into like the when he was a child, and there is a new entity, or there is a new consciousness that he's actually spreading all around. And this card says conscious entity, and this is basically about consciously making the right choices, consciously going towards growth, looking at how you want to move towards growth, looking at how you want to be that conscious being of who is ready to be into new consciousness. So this is basically when you connect with your inner sage. This is where you connect with your inner self. This is where you connect with your inner guides, and this is when you let go of the devil. So a new consciousness, that I always say the Kalki is like not an avatar, it's like a consciousness. So new consciousness is going to begin, and it is absolutely beginning for 31st of August. Now I took out a few more cards from Moonology Tarot, and again these cards are very beautiful because first says prosperity lies ahead. So it says that there is a time which is going to be very prosperous. There is time which is going to be this is new moon in Taurus. This is going to be very beautiful, very prosperous time. A fiery climax is approaching. So definitely a climax of things is approaching now, which is going to be very fiery, but there is going to be all good things that will come out of it. The third card is it is time to release negativity. It is time to let go of that asura energy or a negative energy that is there inside you. And the last card says you and your loved ones are safe. So you don't have to be worried about anybody. Whoever you love, whoever you are connected with, they are safe, and there are new energies or new changes or positive changes that lie ahead. So again, a beautiful energy of 31st of August. I'm going to take out some extra cards that I always do. And okay, I will take out cards from another deck, and then I will take out cards for this deck, because that's how I'm guided to. So okay, let's see, guides, angels, what is the energy of 31st of August 2021? What do we need to know? And many cards came out. First card is Four of Pentacles. This is a card of close energy, and you don't have, or this is the card actually of saving something, or say that you really love, that you want to kind of like keep away from the whole world. You want to keep it to yourself, you want to keep it with yourself. And this is ideally a card of a miser or something like this, but I'm not getting a negative vibe with this card today. So this is like saving something that you love. Then there is Two of Cups. There are two hands which are coming together. So there are energies that are coming together. There are beautiful energies, beautiful love, beautiful rainbow. If you see here, they are coming together. So this is like connections. This is connecting with your loved ones. Then there is a card of Star, which is a card, and this was upside down, though I don't read reverse cards, but I still would want to give you a meaning that this is a card which says that a new world is going to illuminate, but you have to ensure that you are connected with your heart, you are connected, you're shining, you're looking at the light. And if you see this card here, Nine of Swords, this is she's crying because there are a lot of crows who were actually disturbing her or doing something wrong with her, but there is this white crow now who's actually pushing away all the crows. So the negative energies are going to be moving away. There is something that is being builded. So there are three people who are actually working on creating something, and that creation or that design is almost ready for them now. Again, the Hermit energy. Wow, I can't believe this. This is the third Hermit card that I have, where the light is illuminated. Somebody is actually illuminated and looking at the world at some height. The next card I have is Chariot, and this card is like moving ahead, fighting your fight or moving ahead with speed. And this is a card which says, because it was upside down, it is not the time to sit, but it is time to actually make the movement. And again, there is a Wheel of Fortune here. We had a Wheel of Fortune which is like wheels are changing now. There is new beginning that is happening. She's so happy. There's a new beginning that is happening, and you're going to get into a very, very happy energy. So again, something that you loved, that you wanted to save, that you wanted to nurture, that you wanted to move away from all kind of negativity. The work is almost done. Your energies have changed. The energy is eliminated. The movement has happened or started, and then there is a Wheel of Fortune. There is a complete change. So definitely anything that you love, you wanted to take care of, you were worried about, there is going to be some positive news, some positive change with regards to that. And one last card that I will take out, and we'll close for 31st of August. Guides, angels. Okay. The first card that is beautiful, this is Birth Crystals, and this card basically says that if you draw this card, you are guided to strengthen your connection with home, which may mean meditating in your stellar origins. Alternatively, it may suggest that you explore your background and ancestral heritage. You may even need to put down more roots to enhance your feeling of belonging, which you can do by meeting new people, deepening friendships, or developing interests locally. Deepen your roots and create solid foundations. Again, the card is same, and this is, if you see, there is a new child that is like born here, or that is playing with a butterfly or a stone, a crystal. Actually, a crystal is coming to the child, and this is a child here, right? This is the energy of the child here, and this is the energy of new birth or new beginning. And the second card is Education, and I don't know why, but I see this card as somebody who's amazing, who we love, is trying to educate all of us, and there is a butterfly there in her hand. And this card says Drawing this card suggests that you open yourself to new learnings by relaxing and absorbing information rather than in the old logical structured way. Alternatively, it may be time for you to teach others. In this case, draw from your own wisdom, not books. Open up to learn that, then spread the knowledge. And this is exactly what is happening here, because this knowledge, this hermit, we got 3 hermits. This hermit is not coming with the knowledge that is from the books. This hermit is coming with the knowledge which is from his own heart, his own experience, and he's teaching that knowledge. So education is not something that you only get from the books. So relax, absorb the information, and there are going to be new information, new things that probably you didn't think about, that you didn't expect, or you didn't even know that these things could exist, and those changes are coming into your life. So very huge energy, very big changes, and I'm hopeful that this energy brings in the changes. And do share the feedback, and if you like the video, share it with everyone else. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.